I have some Talstar Pro active ingredient. It's bifenthrin that is 10 years old. I cannot purchase it anymore. Is my 10-year-old insecticide still effective? I want to use it to treat a cinch bug infestation. After resodding last fall, I am looking to ensure that doesn't happen again this year. And this is Dan from Canada on YouTube. So he's using Talstar. He's 10 years old.
Yeah.
And he wants to know if it's still effective. Well, guess what, Mr. Dan? It's not still effective. Yeah, so after the third year, it pretty much loses its shelf life.
Yes.
Right? That information should be on the label, but if it's not, 3 years is pretty much going to be, the max. Make sure when you buy another product, of course, if you have to buy another product, keep the cap tight on it, keep them in a location that's away from direct sunlight, and then read or follow that label because it should have information on there on how to store the product.
Yes.
So would that apply to all insecticides?
Somewhat, sometimes not. There's some chemicals that don't lose their effectiveness, but that they're older and they're probably not available anymore. So
Yeah.
but yeah, there's a lot. I just read the directions on the label. The label should tell you everything you need to know about that particular chemical. And you can always go online, get an SDS sheet and read that. And that should have information on the chemical makeup of the chemical that he's wanting to apply. And and you can always call the manufacturer then.
Yeah, because the number is there. So all of that's going to be on the label, which is why we always tell people read and follow the label, because it will tell you how to store it. It would also tell you how to dispose of that chemical. And then if you happen, to get some of the chemical on you, ingest the chemical, it will give you the number to call, right, for emergency purposes. So all of that information, Mr. Dan, is going to be on the label. Cinch bugs are a problem. This is the correct recommendation that you have here to use to control cinch bugs. So, But as far as that product goes, 3 years is going to be the max. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.